Yes, I am that auntie, especially when it comes to my niece and my nephew. They are going on vacation for a week and I'm going to miss them. So I decided to go on the TikTok shop and buy them two of the viral snackle boxes and fill them with their favorite snacks. Don't come for me. I know this box is all full of junk, but the second box is filled with fruits and veggies. Mommy's gonna kill me that the first box is all junk, but hey, it's summertime. It's perfect. It has a little handle. She loved her box. I hope you have a great vacation, Zai. Auntie's gonna miss you.